नमस्कार दोस्तों, हम लोग आज कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर शीला नाम्बियार से। People think कि only smoking is injurious to health, but sitting on the chair is so dangerous. It's so injurious to health. So could you just enlighten our viewers on this? Like if they have, because these days so it's all lockdown period going on, COVID period going on, people are sitting, like they are not moving much. So what precaution they need to take care of and how they could do that, Sheila, if you can reflect on that.
Yeah. So there is, this whole phrase, sitting is the new smoking. It's a very catchy phrase. It's not exactly as dangerous as smoking. Let's face it, smoking is far more dangerous than sitting. But what we mean to say by this phrase is that sitting aside from exercise is equally dangerous. What I mean by that is, even if you exercise for 1 hour in a day and you sit the rest of the time, it still causes great harm to your health. And the reasons for this are several. The research has shown that people who sit for longer than 6 to 8 hours a day have a higher incidence of depression and also a greater incidence of mortality. They die earlier if you sit for longer periods of time. So I think it is a cultural thing. This thing of sitting a lot is a cultural thing. We do tend to sit a lot, and you're right. During this lockdown, everybody's at home and there's a lot of sitting going on. What do you do about it? Well, every half an hour, you need to get up and move. And by move, you don't need to necessarily exercise. Even just moving around the house, walking up and down your stairs, going to the your water cooler to go and get a glass of water. All of this definitely helps. So even if you're sitting in front of now for instance, we are going to be sitting for about an hour, and talking, Adi. Although I would love to pick up this laptop and walk around, right? Because that really, ideally, that is what we should be doing. But what I am going to do after I finish this is definitely go and get in 10 minutes of movement. And even that 10 minutes of movement helps a lot. Also, find ways to move. For instance, if you are folding clothes or if you are even watching, let's say, a television series, get up and walk around during the commercial break. That commercial break is it's not going to it's not going to improve your knowledge or understanding in any way.
Absolutely. Yeah.
If you're standing and watching your milk boil, do some exercises, do calf raises, or do dip push-ups in the kitchen. I do that. So these little ways of including exercise: climb the stairs, don't use your elevator, walk around your parking lot. There are many ways, and you can become very creative as you start getting into it. If you internalize the idea that sitting for more than half an hour to 40 minutes at a stretch is not okay, then you will get up and automatically start to move around every 30 to 40 minutes. And it needs to be just a couple of minutes of movement. That's all that's required.
बिल्कुल दोस्तों, ये बेहद ज़रूरी है। आप लोग समझिए इस बात को कि ज़्यादा देर तक जो लोग अपनी कुर्सी पे बैठे रहते हैं, रिसर्च कहती है कि वो जल्दी मर जाते हैं दोस्तों। तो अगर आप जल्दी मरना चाहते हैं तो बैठे रहिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। पर अगर आप जीना चाहते हैं तो अपनी बॉडी को मूव करिए। सिर्फ 1 घंटे की एक्सरसाइज के बाद अगर आप 8-10 घंटे सोच रहे हैं कि मैं आराम से कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, सो इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट। आप ऐसे ना करिए। और ये जैसे कि शीला ने बड़ा ब्यूटीफुली कहा कि कल्चर ही ऐसा होता है। कुछ फैमिलीज के अंदर ही हमने देखा है कि वो ज्यादा घर से निकलते नहीं है जी, बिकॉज वो थोड़े इंट्रोवर्ट है, उनको ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता जाना, वो तो अपने कमरे में ही रहते हैं। तो कहना ठीक है, पर द की इज मूव मूव मूव। प्लीज मूव। आप कोशिश करिए हर 30 से 40 मिनट के बाद थोड़ा मूवमेंट लाएं। और स्पेशली लॉकडाउन पीरियड के दौरान अगर आप टेलीविजन भी देख रहे हैं तो टेलीविजन देखिए, उसके लिए मनाही नहीं है, पर साथ के साथ जैसे कमर्शियल आ रहे हैं, आप उस कमर्शियल को क्या देख रहे हैं दोस्तों, खड़े होइए, थोड़ा मूवमेंट करिए।